Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to manage notifications in the Google Maps app. If you ever feel overwhelmed by constant alerts or just want more control over what notifications you receive, this video will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After that, scroll down until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Here, you'll see different categories such as Getting Around, Reviews and Media, Locations and Profile, and other notifications. Choose any category that you want to manage. Next, tap on the category and set your preferences. To turn off notifications, select Off for all the options within that category. Then, click OK to confirm your choice. Repeat this process for any other categories you want to adjust. Finally, once you've updated all your notification settings, you'll have full control over which alerts appear from Google Maps, making your app experience more tailored and less distracting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.